Hello, it's Friday. I need to think out loud here because I have a lot of projects ongoing. I have been editing videos for such a long time now that I feel that I am actually losing contact with my plans here. So it's a wonderful day today. It's the sun is shining. It's winter here in Stockholm. This is Mälaren. It's ice there and snow. It's really, really nice. Let's look at this. We have all these tools here in my living room. I have my indoor shed, the project is on pause here. Here I have my video editing desk where I've tried to catch up with all the videos. It's now February, but still I'm editing videos from the 1st of December, more than 2 months ago. I'm a little bit worried about that, how long it takes. I'm kind of reluctant to do any more videos until I catch up with the videos I made. I would like my videos to be in phase with my current progress. Anywho, wait a minute. Can you see that? See that in the camera? You can see the through the lens there. Anyhow, let's try to recap where we're going. The main goal here is to make a desk here by the window and get rid of this table so that I can have my computer and the screen and everything here by the window and the workspace there. And we have the indoor cupboards. I need to empty this space so that I can make this into a workspace. My plan right now is to take advantage of the ventilation that's in here so that I can use this as a ventilated area where I can do paint stuff and stuff that where you have fumes or other stuff that you want to get rid of, and you can easily do that because the ventilation is so close. Of course, we also have all this stuff. I don't want this to be here. It's all these saved papers from my company. I really need to clean this up. It's a burden to have this just laying around. It's just crap. Mostly of it is crap, and I want to salvage the information I want to keep and get rid of the rest. Yeah, it's just nagging on my mind that all this crap is just laying here and doing nothing useful. It's fun stuff in here. I mean, we have an OLED display down there. We have a projector. We have a conference telephone. I'm not going to use it or build something from it. That's that. Oh, here we have, I bought for ventilation on my indoor shed, and I'm going to return them because the design didn't work. I can't use these. I must return them and buy bendable pipes instead. The idea is to mount a pipe from that ventilation and make it go through the wall here and then along the roof here and then down into my indoor shed so that I actually get air into here. My plan was to go out the wall here. Let's get some light. So there's the ventilation outlet. I wanted to go out the wall here, but I can't do that because there's a stud here. So instead I have to come out somewhere on the middle of the wall here between the studs. I need bendable pipes to make that come out there, then go here and then bend it down on the roof there. For my indoor shed, I need to open up this slot here. The idea of these slots on each side of the indoor shed is this shed is only 2 meters wide. So it means that to cut boards that are more than 1 meter actually on any machine in the middle here, I need to stick them outside the shed. So the idea here is to open up the plastic here and have like a flap or something hanging down so that it's closed when you don't use it, and then you can stick stuff out here and have support on the outside. So that's a future project. Here we have, here's eye protection, ear protection, breathing protection, and here I have a lot of tape. I wanted to figure out this tape in an episode about that. One of these I hope I can use to attach the plastic here in here, more attached to the indoor shed here. That's the state of things here. I just wanted to remind myself, I suppose, that's actually what's going on here. Let's edit this and see if I can publish this as a video. I hope I can watch this and remind myself where I'm going so that I can start doing the correct steps to move forward now. Okay, that's all for now. I think I'm going out to the balcony here so you can see the beautiful weather here. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee
And enjoy.